Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get copper ore in Subnautica. Copper is a vital resource for your early game progression, allowing you to craft essential tools and upgrades. To begin, you will primarily be looking for small, dark gray rock formations scattered across the seabed. These resource nodes are quite common and are often found in the shallower biomes, such as the safe shallows, making them accessible right from the start of your adventure. To make your copper collection more efficient, several tools can assist you. The scanner room, once built, can be a game changer, helping you pinpoint large resource deposits from a distance. For faster travel between locations, the Sea Glide is indispensable, significantly cutting down your exploration time. Additionally, equipping a survival knife allows you to break open those resource nodes with just a few swift strikes, speeding up your gathering process considerably. Beyond the common seabed nodes, there are other valuable sources for copper. Limestone outcrops, which are abundant in many biomes, have a chance to drop copper ore when broken. As you venture into deeper waters and explore various cave systems, you will often discover larger, more concentrated deposits. Furthermore, keep an eye out for wrecks and abandoned bases. These locations frequently contain copper in their storage containers, offering a quick boost to your inventory. Once you have gathered your copper, efficient storage is key. Constructing storage lockers within your sea base or cyclops will help you organize your collected ore. Remember, copper is a foundational component for many critical items, including batteries, wiring kits, and various advanced tools. For a smooth early game progression, it is wise to aim for a collection of at least 20 to 30 pieces, ensuring you have enough for immediate crafting needs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.